Rhythm, when you look at these pictures, now, it's a fake case, we all know that, but the manner in which he's being treated, Rhythm, is proof that this is nothing but a witch hunt.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Let's tell our viewers what's happening today. The case is going to be coming up today. It's already come. That's why he's been produced at 11 o'clock at the Killa Court. This is in connection with the TRP case in which we've been saying there has been a witch hunt from the very start. Now, let's also tell our viewers that Ghanshyam has been summoned earlier under certain sections 3 times. And as we've been saying at Republic TV from the very start, this is a systematic persecution that continues. It's a brazen misuse of the power that Assistant Vice President has been arrested at 7:40 this morning. It's an unchecked campaign of the Mumbai police that is determined to falsely target Republic and its members. It's very clearly a part of some vendetta that's been driven. Also remember, Niranjan, Arnab is in 7th day in judicial custody. Ghanshyam is arrested on grounds that have never been. This has never been a more terrifying state of affairs when electric machinery is exploiting its officers, violating the due process to clamp down on Republic TV. And he also heads Republic Media Network's Western Region distribution. He's continuously cooperated with the Mumbai police. He's in fact has personally been through 40 hours of semi-custodial interrogation. His current detention crafts a new law in the way Maharashtra machinery is working. And Ghanshyam arrest, like Arnab's illegal arrest, is already like a prescripted vendetta that is already insisting on evidence and facts. We're going to be present in the court asking that there should be no remands to police custody for Ghanshyam. And we're also telling you, like we've been saying from the very start, there is no link between Republic TV, its affiliates, with the TRP manipulation case. There is a mountain of evidence that indicates that there is a vicious plot to embroil Republic in a fake TRP manipulation case that it has no connection or relation to. We're also putting on stand here there are coercive methods, there are illegal arrests, there are baseless detentions and overtly false cases that will not be stopping us from doing our journalistic duty as well. And at the same time, we're saying we continue to stand with Ghanshyam Singh and, of course, Arnab, who's now in his 7th day in judicial custody in Taloja jail now.
We've also moved the Supreme Court, Rhythm. We have also moved the Supreme Court, and a lot of viewers asking us, for details of that. Arnab's bail plea is now with the Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court of India, the highest court of the country, appealing against challenging the Bombay High Court order denying him interim bail in the 2018 abetment to suicide case. And this is very clearly, finally now we knock on the topmost doors of the country looking for relief against the High Court order. I've spoken to several senior advocates of the country, several judges of the country, and we do believe that patently that there are several points prima facie that we can challenge in the highest court of the law. Most importantly, we have to see that if at the end of so many days there had to be on such a simple bail order, so many days had to be taken, it could have been given much earlier, is our prima facie view. Irrespective of that, if you keep in mind that an innocent man is being persecuted and targeted by the entire state machinery, along with the Mumbai police in this systematic, targeted manner, it is finally time for the Supreme Court of India to be appealed to. It is them whom we ask, and this is also something Arnab asked when he was shifted in a clandestine manner from Alibag to Taloja jail without giving any explanation, without giving him any legal rights hearing with his lawyers. He was not given time. It's very clearly an indication that Arnab needs to be now given the interim bail relief he's looking for. All this also coming as there's a revision police remand custody coming. Also remember, just yesterday, there was custodial interrogation that happened of Arnab in Taloja jail, and I do believe that the other 2 accused were not having any custodial interrogation by the police. So why is this continued persecution of Arnab happening on the 7th day in Taloja also needing to be questioned? We've moved to the Supreme Court. We knock on the doors of the highest court looking for relief, and we are hoping that sooner rather than later, the topmost court of the country will be hearing this case.
That Thank you, Rhythm, for that. Ridhavanand Bharadwaj breaking down the details as Arnab Goswami in Taloja jail now, spending a 7-day. And we have moved to the Supreme Court, the highest court in the country for justice, in a case that was closed in 2019, in a case where the facts are clear, in a case that was opened due to political motivation and announced in the assembly. We will take this fight to its logical conclusion and we will win this fight because the truth will win. I'm handing it. Okay, Piyush is outside the Taloja jail. Let me quickly take one answer from him and then move on. Piyush, we've moved to the Supreme Court now. Arnab's fight is in the Supreme Court. You're outside the Taloja jail. Support continues to pour in. It's a big day, but they've tried to play dirty and cheap this morning by arresting Ghanshyam once again.
Well, absolutely, Niranjan. We have seen that how there is complete machinery there of Maharashtra government is now after Republic Media Network. We have seen that how Ridhavanand Bharadwaj is also giving us very crucial information that two other accused, as far as the two other accused in this case are concerned, police has not sought their custody also. But on the other side, Arnab Goswami is being persecuted by the machinery. This somewhere exposes the kind of mindset Maharashtra police has. We know that how Arnab Goswami made very serious allegation that he was pushed, assaulted, and he now needs justice. He has been pleading to the people of the country. He has been pleading from courts. Now we have moved the Supreme Court to demand for the justice. We know that people of the country are now united and they want justice for Arnab Goswami. Right now, I am right outside Taloja jail. Once again, I would like to show you that particular entrance. Today we are seeing that there is not much deployment of police also. Since for the last 2 days, we have seen good deployment. But today, at this very junction, very place, there's not much deployment, but Arnab Goswami is inside. We know that how he was woken up early in the morning at around 6 a.m. From Alibag Quarantine Center. He was taken to Taloja jail, and fake allegations on fake information, and also we have seen that how fake news campaign is also being done, that because he was active on social media, he has been shifted to Taloja jail. We have also made it very clear that Arnab Goswami is not on social media and only on fake news campaign this is being done. We'll have to wait and watch how the proceedings go. We are right now also there in Sessions Court, also putting forth our view, our point there in Sessions Court. Also, we have moved to Supreme Court for justice to Arnab Goswami, and we are very hopeful that yes, when top court intervenes in this, then yes, indeed, justice will be given to Arnab Goswami. Niranjan.
Thank you for that, Piyush.